Hello my ABT students. We're going to do another label in mail merge. So make sure you've got no spacing turned on. Go to mailings, go to start mail merge and go to your wizard. And we want to do labels, so choose labels. Okay, and now as you know we got to go to the next step, next, and we always have to go to label options. Okay, this time it tells us to choose 5263, and likely you're right very close to it because it remembers where you were the last time. So we want 5263, say okay, and you see everything there. And now go to home, make sure you got no spacing turned on, okay? And you saw your paragraph symbol jump, so you know you're up at the top. Alright, so you've already said, oh, go to layout and go to cell margins, and you want the top to be 0.1, and you want the left, the left to be 0.1. So the left is 0.1, and now say okay. So you see your paragraph symbol drop down, and that's what you want. Alright, let's go to mailings, and we haven't got, so we got to go to the next step. So let's go to next, select the recipients, and go to browse, and of course you have to go to your folder which is on your U drive, and I have to go to my classes here and ABT and mail merge, and I want the one called Manitoba students. Okay, so here Manitoba students, open, and now it says that we want to have the membership table. There's two tables here and we want the membership table. So choose the membership table and say okay. And now the first thing, put them in alphabetical order, so you've got Anderson to Broadway and so on. Alright, click OK. And now we want to go to insert merge field, and I don't know if we have a title here. I don't think so. So we want first name, space bar, and you want last name. And it said bring all the fields on your label except for the membership number and the phone number. Okay, so we've got that in, and then it says make sure that the business name follows the student's name. So therefore we want to go to business name and press enter, and then we want to go to address, put that in, and then we want to go to city, and as I say you can put the comma in and a space if you want, and then the province, and then the postal code. Okay, and anything else, all the fields except for the membership number and the phone number. Okay, so hold on here, membership number, no, and phone number. Okay, so then we want to have, so I'm going to do here, and we should have, I'm going to leave 2 and have type of baker, and we want to have the join date and the membership fee and the amount due. Okay, so we left out the 2 fields, phone number and membership number, but we included everything else. So remember, now we go to next and we say update all the labels. So we just had enough room on this label for all the information that we want to put on it. Alright, and now we want to save this, so go Control S to save. And we want to go to your U drive, and we want to save it as your first name, the current date for you, and we want to call it student label form. Alright, and we've saved it. Now click on save. Alright, and now we want to go to next, preview your labels. We don't have to preview them, you know that they were correct. And now go to complete the merge and edit the individual labels and say okay, and there's all the labels with all the information. Okay, so we want to save this, so go file, save as, and we want to go to mail merge, and we want to take out the student label form, and now it's going to be put in as merged. Alright, save it, close this one out, we don't need it any longer. And now here, go back to step 4, and you can see your form. Go Control S to save, and that's the end of that one. All right, we'll stop there.